Hello, today I show you and explain you how to install the privacy filter magnetic version. This is the contents of the package. You have some adhesive magnetic strip, some anti-dust towel, the user guide and the privacy itself. So the idea is to stick this magnetic strip on your screen, apply the filter like this. I fix one on the right, on the black part of the screen here, not on the active part, of course. That's it, it's finished. 1 minute. It's very convenient because you have a shiny face and a matte face, which is anti-glare. If you have the sun on the back, you put the anti-glare face in front of you like this. So if you watch your screen in front like this, you can see, but if you turn up to 30 degrees, it becomes black and you cannot see.